Cashanista friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. If you're not one of my Cashanista friends already, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join my Cashanista fam. Now today's video is sponsored by Modelones, which is a gel nail polish company. They sent me over some amazing products to try out, which I'm so happy to be filming this video and showing you all because I've just been excited since I've got the package, y'all. So they sent me their nail art tool bag. This is the actual bag that the tools come in, which is a very nice bag that you can definitely wear as an everyday purse. Comes with the strap and everything, super cute. And inside the bag includes your nail filer, your nail buffer, your nail nipper, nail clipper, your cuticle pusher, some nail art brushes. You have your thin fine brush and your thicker brush. And I'm really mad at myself because this particular brush would have been perfect for today's nail look, but I completely just forgot that it was even in the bag, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking, and I'll use my go-to Q-tip method as I usually do, you know, use the Q-tip to work out whatever I need to work out with my nails. But yeah, I should definitely just use my brush. So don't be like me and waste the good old Q-tip. Use your nail art brush. I have their dust brush and their removal wraps. So those are all the tools that come in the bag, which pretty much this bag includes all of your essentials that you need for a good manicure. So that's really convenient and nice about that bag. It really does have like all your basic essentials for a good manicure. I have their LED lamp, which as you can see is very small and compact. I've never even seen a LED lamp this small and compact. So very convenient, good size. You can plug it up, and it's also portable. You could just add batteries as well. So if you need to, you know, be on the go and pack your LED lamp to hook your nails up real quick, you don't have to worry about, you know, cord and all that. Just add your batteries. In addition to that, I have the polish. I have their base coat and their top coat. So of course you will use your base coat prior to applying your gel polish color of choice, and then top it off with your top coat. And last but not least, their glitter party gel nail set. Now that is the packaging, and inside it has 7 different gel polish colors. It has the pinky drink, the purple ring, magic blue, golden high heel, which is the color that I use today, the glitter night, diamond ring, and the shiny pearl. So I'm going to insert a picture so you can actually see what all these colors look like, but they are all some really nice bomb colors, y'all. Like perfect for your holiday party or just any party that you're going to, you know, to add a little extra sparkle to your nails. And of course, New Year's Eve is all about the glitz, the glam, the sparkle, the glitter, all of that good stuff. So this is the perfect set that you will need to get your nails on point for your New Year's holiday party or any time of year when you just want to add a little sparkle to your nails, y'all. So yeah, let's just get right on into today's video and keep on watching to see how I achieve these holiday glitter glam New Year's Eve party nails. Alright, I've already completed my entire right hand, so this is the final look I'm going for. The glitter on just the tips on all nails except for this one nail where I'm gonna do the full glitter. So I've already applied my builder gel to create my actual nail. If you would like to see how I apply the builder gel to get this extended nail look, please go ahead and click the link in the description box below, because I'm going to link one of my previous nail videos down there. So I've already used my nail filer to actually go ahead and shape each nail like I want, and buffed it out real good to get it nice and smooth. But before even doing any of the filing and buffing, I first used this utensil to actually push my cuticles back to get started with everything. So now I'm just going to go ahead, with the color. So I'm going to start with the base coat of polish. You can see which one it is because it has like a little label on the side there. So I'm going to apply one base coat onto each nail. Now that I have my base coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the LED lamp. But you have the option of your 60 seconds and your 90 seconds, and I've just been curing for 60. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my gold nail polish. And because I only want the tips, I'm just going to start by applying it to just the tip of the nail. Then once I have it just on the tip of the nail, I'm going in with a Q-tip, and this is the same one I used on my other hand. I'm just dabbing it and dragging it down because I don't want a straight like line there. I want it to be, you know, kind of a natural ombre-ish type of look. So I'm just dabbing some of the polish and tapping downwards. I'm going to do the same thing on the middle finger and pinky finger. Now for the ring finger, I'm just going to apply the glitter polish to the entire nail. Okay, now I'm just going to cure this for 60 seconds in the lamp. Now I'm just going to do the same thing and go back over each nail with a second coat of polish. I'm going to cure this once again. Now I'm going to go over it with my top coat of clear polish. And that is my end result. You can go over with a second top coat if you would like, but I think I'm going to leave mine like that because my nails are already pretty thick. But yeah, that is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.